everybody. I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use a car ice scraper properly. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into this awesomely amazing video. Let's get into this. So essentially, this is a car ice scraper, and they come in a couple of different shapes and sizes. This is like a heavy duty one. As you can see, it's quite big. Even the other side of this, which is the snow brush, is really large. It's like a jumbo size, right? Now, I've always used ice scrapers, and you're gonna have to take my word for this because there was ice all over the car this morning, okay? And I got enough of it off, right, for the time being, but I left, some windows with ice on them because I wanted to film this video, but it's sunny out, as you can see now, so all that ice melted, unfortunately. So you're just gonna have to take my word for it because I can't demonstrate. It's the end of winter. I don't know how many more icy days I'm gonna get, and I need to film this video. I want to get it done. I would just go to the window and I would just scrape it with this flat part of the blade, and I thought that was the best way to do it, right? It worked, but it didn't work perfectly, and it caused, there was a lot of, if there was a big ice buildup, it took a lot of strength out of me to do it. I'm just kidding. It didn't take a lot of strength because I have these units of forearms right here, but it does take a lot of effort. Okay, on this ice scraper, there's another side that has these little spikes, these notches on it. And on your ice scraper, maybe on the back side of this, there's like just these little raised up portions that are like little notches. Believe it or not, those are the keys to scraping ice off easily. It's a simple life hack, okay? When I found out about this, literally it's so much easier to scrape ice. I don't know, someone's pulling up behind me. Hopefully they're like not like, okay, I was just making sure. Sometimes I film on streets and neighbors like pull up right behind me because like I'm filming in front of their house, and I gotta explain to them like I'm not, I have a camera because I'm filming videos, don't be worried. But no, I think this person is just parking here, I hope. Looks good. I mean, it's not, yeah, it just looks like a regular car, so we're good. Anyways, I'm gonna just continue the video even though I'm a little bit worried. Yeah, you know what? There's an old age home nearby. I've seen this guy before. I think he's just going to visit someone at the old age home. Anyways, so these notches, what you should do to scrape ice off your car properly. You're gonna go to the icy window, you're gonna get these notches, and you're gonna scrape the ice with the notches. What that's gonna do is that's gonna scrape off little lines onto the ice. Then once you have those lines, you're gonna go across the entire window, almost as if you're like scraping mortar, like for laying tiles. They scrape those notches on tiles when they're about to lay them. Very similar to that. Oh, this guy scared the living daylights out of me. He just walked so close to the car. He has every right to, but it just took me for granted. He's bringing donuts to whoever's in the old age home. What a nice guy. What a solid dude. Let me tell you, what a nice guy. I love people like that. Okay, anyways, I'm just making assumptions, but I've seen him enough times to sort of add it all together. Okay, so you're gonna scrape the entire window with notches. Once you scrape the notches in the entire window, you're gonna flip it over and you're gonna scrape with the flat side. That ice is gonna come off of the window faster and more easily than ever before. It's that simple. That's how to use an ice scraper properly. You get these notches and you scrape notches in the ice on the window or windshield. Do the entire surface area, then you flip it around and you get this side, which is a flat side, and you scrape off the ice. Now, that'll do two things. Number one, the ice will come off fast and easily, but number two, you're gonna preserve the plastic on the ice scraper for longer because this doesn't have to work as hard. So it's gonna last longer. It's gonna be more durable overall. And that's it. That is how to use a car ice scraper properly. A full tutorial. Sorry I couldn't demonstrate it, but you gotta take my word for it. Try it out. Trust me, you're gonna be amazed at how well it works. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.